this is PrototypeLua, and I am on my brand new, let's see, four, let's see, what was it? Oh yeah, 4 gigabyte RAM, Windows 7 at a 64-bit. Yeah, it's pretty awesome. I haven't gotten all the files transferred from my old computer. New mic. Um, Hopefully it's good quality and everything. If not, I actually got 2 for Christmas. Yeah. So, yeah, I said that today we were going to do, what's it called? We were going to do console commands and everything. So I'm just going to make the program real quick, and this is the other way that you can make it a batch script if you have it set up a certain way. Yeah. It's kind of a problem with my yeah, there we go. That should do it. Yeah, so I said that today we were going to work on console commands and everything. So for instance, clear screen, we could do a setting a variable. So this is going to be like console commands and variables, because those are like, oh, and how to get users input and set it as a variable. So yeah, so first off, let's just make let's make a program that says how old are you. So we're gonna have it set it as a value called age. Yeah, I can't not type. There we go, age. But not gonna have that there. Sorry if you can hear any noise in the background. I have my dog yawning occasionally in the background, and also the TV. But I'm in the other room, so you shouldn't hear it that loud. So yeah. First off, we're going to make a program that it asks how old you are. So, and it will save it at what you put in as a variable. So, basically, is how you do this is you type in set dash p, and then what you want the variable to be called. So let's call it age. If we can type right, and then have equal, and then you type in what you want it to say. So we'll have it say, how old are you? And then put a space there. Make sure you have a space at the end of that. And so basically is what that will do is it will print out how old are you, give a pause for you to put in what you want, and then and then press enter, and then whatever you put in, it will save that as this. And you don't want to have it. Oh, and when you make sure, just make sure I have space. And you do not want to have it so that way they put in like 1 space 0. You don't really want that, because if you're going to have it run through like an if statement, just to let you know, I'll go through that either this tutorial, maybe next, I don't know. But don't have any spaces in the words if you want it to go through an if statement, because it won't register as all one thing. It'll register as a word, and the first word it will register into that if statement, and the next word it thinks you're trying to do a command. That will be more understandable later when I go into if statements. So basically, whenever you call that variable, it's called age. So you want to have 2%, and in between that, you want the name of the variable. So this is age, so it'll be percent age percent. And so yeah, so we're gonna have it say echo. Remember in the last tutorial that was a what's it called? The print statement for the script, and then just percent age percent, and then that will basically print it out. Oh, I wanted to say something different that I just remembered. And I'm going to say you are, and then it'll say age, years old. And then that will print that. Actually, hang on. There we go. And then we'll just have it pause. There we go. And we're going to save that and see. That was the same alt-tab command. It just looks different on a Windows 7. What the? Oh. Error. Syntax error. Not syntax error. Actually, I'm not sure what those kind of errors are called. I forgot to put in at echo off. And say that again. There we go. How old are you? And it gives you space to put it in. And let's say that I am 18. And it says you are 18 years old. Press any key to continue. So yeah, that's how to read variables and print them. And okay, so now I said I was going to go into console commands. So let's go into this. Hang on a second. Let me move my laptop around. And you shouldn't hear that much tapping because I'm using a headset. So that's nice. Okay, so did I put in an enter? No, I didn't. Okay. So now, let's say you want to clear your screen, so you don't want any of that to pop up anymore. So you just type in CLS, and the CL is clear, and then the S stands for screen. So clear screen, and then we're just gonna put in pause again, so that way it will give you a chance to see that it did the clear screen. So now basically what this will do is say how old are you, and you can type in whatever you want. Also, if you type in like hi, it'll say you are high years. You'll say you are high years old. But yeah. So pause, clear screen, pause. So basically, so what it'll do, it will ask you how old you are. And you can type in whatever you want. It'll say you are whatever you typed in, years old, and then it will say press any key to continue. And when you do, the screen will clear and it will instantly say press any key to continue again. So it's not that it didn't clear it when it said up here, it's that just in the script it's immediately supposed to say it again. So here, actually, in order to just let's make it pause and then greater than null. And I think I went over what that does in the last tutorial, but if you have anything as null, that means it doesn't it doesn't like give a return value. So if you had like echo you are 8 years old null or something, I don't know if you can do that, but it wouldn't print out, it wouldn't say that you are 8 years old, which I don't think anyone would do that. So how old are you? Just put in 6. You are 6 years old. Press any key to continue. Oh, I didn't say the script. Silly me. Because I thought I have it open twice, apparently. So I'm gonna be right back. Yeah. Hello, and I'm back, and you probably wouldn't have noticed that much if I hadn't told you I was going to leave. But anyways, now save this now. Now we can run it. How old are you? Put in 7. You're 7 years old. Press any key to continue. As you can see, it removed it, and it's just blank, waiting for me to press enter because I typed in -null. Yeah. Okay. That is it for this tutorial, and so I will see you guys later.